Hello everybody, today I will be going to tell you how to do the when key enter pressed, do etc. So first you need to go to your events and bring on your when flag clicked, control forever, if sensing key, and then you want to go to your operators and go join. Okay guys, so you want to go to your operators and write enter in this one, and yeah, and then you can write literally anything like move 10 steps, and now when we press the green flag, and yeah, now we have the enter key. So yeah, this was a shorter video, but now